Hello. Welcome to physics. Today we are discussed about the motion along a straight line. Motion along a straight line is a most fundamental chapter, fundamental topic of physics and also most important for JEE exam and also NEET exam. Here we are discussed about the some basic problem related to the same topic, mean motion along a straight line. Initially, we are discussed about what is the concept of rest and motion, what is the logic of rest and motion. If coordinate of the object remain constant with respect to time and also with respect to frame of reference, then object is at rest, no any motion with respect to frame of reference. But if coordinate change with respect to time and also frame of reference, if coordinate change variable with respect to time, then object in moving situations, right? And what is the concept of frame of reference? Frame of reference is a location of object and observer, only and only location of object and observer, known as a frame of reference. For the 1D motion, mean rectilinear motion, motion along a straight line, only one coordinate change with respect to time. Particle have three coordinate x, y and z, but only one coordinate change with respect to time and other two coordinate remain constant, right? This situation is known as 1D motion, mean motion along a straight line. Let us start one by one our topic, chapter motion along a straight line. Motion along a straight line, mean 1D motion, right? Some basic formula related to this: velocity, instantaneous velocity mean dx divided by dt, instantaneous velocity, and average velocity v average equal to delta x divided by delta t, mean x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1, right? Unit meter per second, unit meter per second. This is a formula of velocity. And for the accelerations, acceleration a equal to dv divided by dt, this is a instantaneous accelerations, value of instantaneous accelerations, and put value of the velocity mean d by dt and value of velocity dx divided by dt, right? Dx divided by dt, and here accelerations equal to d square x divided by dt square. This is a most important formula for the exam and also for the concept. And next formula of the accelerations, a equal to dv divided by dt and dx divided by dx multiply from numerator and denominator. And for calculate this formula and this formula, accelerations equal to dv divided by dx and here dx divided by dt. Dx divided by dt is a velocity of the object, right? And accelerations equal to dv divided by dx and here v. This formula used when velocity function of displacement. Velocity is a function of time, can be, and velocity is a function of displacement. Both situations can be possible. This is a basic formula of the mechanics, mean motion along a straight line. And let us start some numerical problem related to NEET exam, right? First numerical problem, NEET PYQ 2025. Question: t equal to x square plus x. Here t is a time and x is a displacement. Find acceleration of object, right? Find acceleration of the object. Solve this problem. Here equation of time with respect to displacement. This is a time and this is a displacement, right? and solve this problem. Mean differentiate both side, mean dt divided by dt equal to d by dt x square plus x, right, and here equal to 1, and here differentiate x square, mean 2x dx divided by dt plus here dx divided by dt, right. Differentiation of x with respect to time equal to dx divided by dt, and dx divided by dt is a velocity of the object, and dx divided by dt equal to velocity of the object. Put value here velocity, and 1 equal to 2x, and here put velocity, and here also put equal to velocity, mean 2xv plus v, and v is a common factor, 1 equal to v 2x plus 1, and v equal to 1 divided by 2x plus 1. This is a value of velocity. And for the accelerations, second derivative function of the this equations, right, mean this equations differentiate with respect to time, mean 1 equal to 2xv plus v. This equation differentiate with respect to time, and differentiation of 1 equal to 0 because 1 is a constant, right, 1 is a constant value, and differentiation of the constant value equal to 0, and here using first and second law, first and second concept of the differentiations, when two functions given in a multiply, then using first and second concept, and 2x dv divided by dt, right, plus 2v and dx divided by dt, and differentiation of v dv divided by dt, right. For the next problem, next step 0 equal to 2x and accelerations a equal to dv divided by dt, right, accelerations a equal to dv divided by dt, dv divided by dt, and here put accelerations a plus 2v, and here v because dx by dt is a velocity of the object, velocity of the object, and here also dv divided by dt put accelerations, and for the next step 0 2xa plus a plus 2v square, right, and 2v square mean 2xa plus a equal to minus 2v square, and a here is a common factor 2x plus 1 equal to minus v square, right, minus v square minus 2v square minus 2v square minus 2v square, right, and this value equal to 1 by v because v equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 and 1 by v equal to 2x plus 1, right, and a multiply 1 by v equal to minus 2v square and a equal to minus 2v cube. This is a value of acceleration with respect to velocity. This is a first PYQ problems of NEET exam, and for the next PYQ problem, question number 2, given displacement versus time graph of the particle as like this, right, and this is a angle 30 and this is a 45 for first object, for second object. Find relation between velocity of first object and velocity of second object. Mean velocity of first object is v1 and velocity of second object is v2. What is the relation between v1 and v2 according to given graph, displacement versus time? Let us solve this problem, very conceptual. Means slope of displacement versus time graph. Slope of displacement versus time graph. Is equal to velocity, right? Means slope of displacement versus time graph. Means this slope is represent velocity of the object, because this is angle theta and this is a delta t and this is a delta x, and tan theta equal to, from this right angle triangle, delta x divided by delta t, and this is equal to velocity. Mean for the first object velocity v equal to tan theta, for the first object v1 equal to tan first object angle 30 degree, mean v1 equal to tan 30, right? v1 equal to tan 30, and for the second object slope 45 degree and tan 45, and for the relation between v1 and v2 both equation divided, mean v1 divided by v2 equal to tan 30 divided by tan 45, and value of tan 30 1 by root 3 and value of tan 45 equal to 1, right? Mean v1 divided by v2 equal to 1 by root 3. This is a relation between velocity of the first object and the velocity of the second object, right? For the next problem, similar related to this, example 3, right? Square root of x equal to t minus 4, right? Find time when particle is at rest, right? Find time for calculation of time, but when particle is at rest. Solve this problem according to given problem. Suppose that this is a vehicle and initially traveling with some velocity, suppose that u velocity, and some time after vehicles reached at this point, and here velocity become equal to 0 and object particle mean when become is at rest. In the situations, calculate time at what time particle mean car become is at rest, right? Solve this problem according to given problem. Square of both side, squaring of both side mean root x square equal to t minus 4 square, right? And here x, because root cancel out from the square, and here using a minus b identity, a minus b whole square identity, mean t square plus 16 minus 8t, and differentiation with respect to time mean dx divided by dt equal to, here 2t plus 0 because 16 is a constant, and minus 8. According to given problem, displacement differentiation of displacement mean velocity equal to 0, right? At what time? Stop. And velocity equal to 0 because dx by dt is a velocity of the object, and here 2t minus 8 mean t equal to 4 second. After 4 second, car when particle become is at rest, right? This is a basic problem basic problem related to motion along a straight line. Very simple problem, no any difficulty here for the calculation of the numerical problem, for the understanding of the concept of the physics, very simple, no any difficulty here. But if you want to understand the basic understanding of the physics, then some calculations need some calculation, some concept, some basic logic about the physics, right. For the next question, very fundamental numerical. Suppose that this is a electric field, mean motion in uniform electric field, right. Suppose that this is a uniform electric field and electric field vector E, right, and positively charged ball drop from this point, right, from at this point, and this is a ground point. This is a uniform electric field, and here suppose that negatively charged distributed as like this, right, and positively charged ball drop from h height from the ground. In the situation, find time, at what time ball reached at the ground point, right. Find time, when ball reach at the ground point. Initially we are calculate the accelerations of the ball, right. This is a positive charge ball and force q times E. This is a electric force and acceleration due to electric field QE divided by m and act vertical downward, as like this, act vertical downward, right. And acceleration due to gravity also act vertical downward. Both accelerations act vertical downward, then G effective, value of G effective equal to G plus QE divided by m, because both accelerations are act vertical downward, right. This is a acceleration due to electric field and this is a acceleration due to gravitation, right. In the situations using second equation of motions, from the second equation motion calculation of the time, from second equation of motion, second equation h equal to ut plus 1 by 2 gt square, and here using h equal to, this is a 0 because particle drop from this point and initial velocity equal to 0, and this is equal to 0, 1 by 2 g effective, right, t square, and t equal to square root of 2h divided by g effective, and put value here, value of g effective, and gets value of time t equal to square root 2h divided by g plus QE divided by m. This is a value of g effective, and this is a value of time for the ball when ball reach at the ground point. This is a basic numerical problem related to motion along a straight line, basic concept, basic explanations, and most important result, most important logic for your NEET exam and also your JEE exam. Thank you.